Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add vignette in Photopea. Let's get started. Open your image or photo, then create a new layer. Again, Shift tool, right click on your mouse, click rectangle and click fill drop down menu. Use gradient. Click gradient bar. Use transparent gradient. Again, click gradient bar. Double click and select your color. Example, use black color. Again, use reverse. Tick mark this scale. Move is 0. Press enter. Opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.